Ahakiri cyamariya mecejagurizi bwa All Saints mu bureberezi bwa West Ruwenzori Diocese mu district ya Bondo Bujo Mary Kutesa Kamuri or director wa Legal Service mu kitongore cya Uganda National Roads Authority kandi biraryo mujenyi mukuru ashabira abakazi kubaremera hari Yesu.
Do not be afraid. Utatinda. Nguli mbera yone yokuraba mu kunyiga kusasa kubona utatinda hanga name.
Tubona ngo the men you should come back and serve your God. Mwese mu church tuhereriye Ruhanga because we can't have a mother's union when we don't have a father's union.
Messages we get in church are for socio-economic development. So it has a negative implication when we have men in the household heads not participating in the church activities.
Mama mwekambisi ababali batu bona abali njegera na batakwete empete bona musime eto bakwete empete tubekyo kulolero tubaleta mu church bamanyo obukuru bwa Ruhanga kandi mu byona kubasaba mama twego kusabiraga babali batu tubasabirage byane nkya
Night Orvol Minister w'ikikora cy'abantu omubudigi bwamba wajimirire minyeto abarukwetwara kubombwiro ubu.
I am telling all girls and boys to dress well as they move out from their homes. Let them dress as human beings going for something positive for the community.
Omugandi abazira bo mu Ruhinda Thawso muri Mitoma bashabirwe kutandika kushomeseza abana babo mu mashomera gombyanga byabo babase kwanguhirwa omukwetungura baba bahereze emishomo yabo bagambirwa hakurundana sente ezo kwirukanje rukushakari Kereziya ya Nyamabare umukoro gwibira hari Nyakakono Primary School Kabera.
Mwete Yesu muri akasoza mwete Yesu mwimusi izina rya Yesu mwimuse higuru yimuse Yesu higuru amagaraga ukibuse Yesu higuru
abantu masomero ngo wiki deri cyakaretse base kwa nicyo twatungura icyo kati abazire mwebare abana banyu ahisha merere
muri yona tashaziremu yatubaramo bati 2023 ashangara make baje gushaka twashanga ryamo bati 3 umuryango twinaba turaganise bandaganisa gwirizo hano bazagareta kandi simabo bona abehireyo kureba ngwerizo bari baturaganise nababereta
hamwe twabatwatanise uza kuretera Nyamabare Kabera Ruhinda na Mitoma yona yabasa kutungura tihino umuntu arakwiza kutungura icyo kato wiki
Sima mukama buri ahekerezi ya ninge kaniseri haruhu ishomero mwene babana bare kombekera mukama nibagarikana bombekera ishomero.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi na Ben Muhozi.